Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and OS, so you download the exact driver. Open Device Manager, expand display adapters, and note the Intel HD model. Once done, check settings right arrow system right arrow about for Windows version and architecture, because mismatch breaks installs. Make a restore point now so you can revert if needed. It takes minutes. Then decide whether to uninstall the current driver via Device Manager. This can prevent conflicts. With details in hand, move on to getting the correct Intel package. You'll download and prepare the installer next. For most users, the Intel driver and support assistant automates detection. Run it and let it find the HD graphics driver. If you prefer manual control, use the exact model and OS to download the exe or zipped INF files. Once downloaded, right-click the installer and choose Run as administrator. If using INF, extract and update via Device Manager right arrow update driver, right arrow browse. Make sure to disable antivirus briefly. You complete the process by running the installer and following prompts. Accept the license and choose Express or Custom as needed. When finished, reboot even if not forced. Drivers finalize on restart. After reboot, confirm the new driver in Device Manager and open Intel Graphics Command Center to check functionality and display settings. If something breaks, use Device Manager to roll back the driver or boot safe mode to uninstall. Then apply the restore point you created earlier. That single step usually resolves persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.